All right, we're back at it again. We got another Ducati lost key replacement we're about to do. Let me see what the paperwork says on this. I think this is a 14. No, actually, this is a 2016 Ducati 821 Monster. Customer wants 2 keys. So basically, plan of action. I'm gonna take the ignition lock. I'm gonna figure out what the cuts are. So basically, I'm gonna decode the cuts. I change nothing. The key is going to be the same. I just figure out what the existing key is. I make that key from scratch. Phase 2, I take the chips that I'm going to put in the keys. I take the data, write them into the system. That way it's going to be plug and play. Bike will start right up. So I'll come back in a little bit with the keys cut, everything programmed, and that's it. I'll come back. Thank you. All right, this is done. Like magic, I got 2 keys. Didn't trust me. It ain't magic. It ain't take. It took a little while, but anyway, here we go. On, off, park. Pull that out. Off, on, off. Both keys are now programmed. Chips in them, ready to rock. You know the keys are exact. Let me see if you can see it. Yeah, there's no file marks. So these are exactly cut keys. I factored in the wear and tear on these keys. So I had to find that sweet spot where the keys work nice and smooth, like the ones you probably just lost. This probably works a little better because I'm exact on the cuts. But that's about it. Ain't really much to say. Those of you wondering why I do a lot of these videos, because I'm receiving a lot of packages from different mechanics I deal with all over the country and around the world. I deal with a lot of people out of the country as well. And I have motorcycle shops. I have some dealerships that I work with. So this is why you see me doing a lot of these Ducatis. You see me posting these videos just to let y'all know that I do. This is what I do. This is my jam. Some people tell you, oh, yeah, I do this, I do that, I do a lot of it. They can't prove it. I can. I got basically an online resume. But anyway, those of you that's having a hard time finding people, here's a couple reasons, like I always say. One, they may not get enough calls to do this type of work. So if you don't have the demand or you don't have the calls, people not calling you to do this work, doesn't make sense to spend a lot of money to buy the equipment, to deal with all the different systems, especially if you're not going to get your return on investment. That's just plain dumb to spend money on something that you don't get calls for just to be able to say, I can do it. That's not a smart thing right there. But anyway, you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you how much it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take. Right now, I'm looking at around 3-4 days. Summertime, I get up to 5 days, when the work starts really coming in. But I'm the one doing it. So just be assured that I'm not sending your units to no one else. Everything is done by me. You put it in a box, ship it to me. I take it out the box. I do what I do, put it back in the box, send it back to you. Your parts won't be being shipped to no one else because I don't play that. I don't want nobody parts running around through the mail longer than it has to. You increase your chance of parts getting lost that way. From you to me to you. Done. But you need my help? Like I always say, give me a call. I'll tell you what it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take. I don't fix bikes. My thing is the keys. You got a problem with the bike, it ain't running right. That's not my thing. My thing is the keys. And go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. As usual, I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you.